to do. That's where you always get problem with the clubs or the management that they are spent with. So most management members of the clubs here have been there for so many years, and the performance of the team has not been good. They are still into position. They are working. But him being the coach, when he goes there, maybe 2-3 matches, things doesn't go up, you expect him to maybe do wonders. But you be the manager of whoever, recruited players, you've been there working with the team for so many years. Things have not been going well. So when maybe he comes within few weeks, few months, and you expect the team to work extraordinary, that is where he will also tell you his mind. Then they see him as maybe controversial or something else. So there's nothing like he doesn't keep long in the team or something.
Je vais ajouter qu'il y a des clubs aussi qui sont restés 4 ans. Et chez c'était longtemps 4 ans, comme Lyon sorti de France dans le soir. Et comme le club de football, le Radou, le CFO, comme le RCB 1 an, donc il y a des clubs qui sont restés 4 ans, et 3 ans, et c'est assez peu longtemps qu'il y a beaucoup de difficultés avec certains dirigeants.
The club that he just mentioned, that he worked there for about 4 seasons plus. So it's not every season that he has been maybe moving up and down. So he has working with the class for more than 4 seasons.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you. Now we are moving to Captain Richard. What I want to happen is the first question that will come from you, and then the next question will be in English. But the subsequent one, because of the local media, I want the questions in Twi, and then Rich will answer in Twi. And because we have some Burkinabe media outlets, our brother will still translate Richard's answers in Twi. Please. So the first 2 questions, one for me, the next question will be in English. Richard will answer in English. Then the subsequent ones will be in Twi. Rich, it's a new season. You are the new captain of the club. How are you coping with your new role, the extra role you have beyond being football? How are you coping with your new role as captain of the club?
In English now, yes. Okay. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope being a Kotoko player is not even easy. So me being there now is a lot of works and a lot of things to do in the team. And yeah, my friends, like we are family, and for now I don't think we have new players or old players. We are all one, and we are working so hard for Kotoko to reach where we have to. Yeah.
Question for Rich.
Agaras. First of all, I know you and you know me very well. You attract a lot of yellow cards. That is something I've spoken to you personally about. Now you are the captain of Asante Kotoko. A lot is expected of you. Are you going to change the things you used to do that makes you attract a lot of yellow cards being the captain of the team? Congratulations for your appointment.
Thank you. I think me having the yellow card is a very bad thing, and I don't wish to do that. Yeah, it just come in. I will just take it. So I'll just reduce it and focus on what to do on the pitch. Yeah.
Next person should be please.
Agalas, Mijitumi pass Ufri Kumasi. Na Kumasi no what na ade. Captain here the amount say Fabisia Kama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What does it mean to you?
I didn't move when only courage and I only could draw bad things of which I have captain of Kotoko. Say them kind of me a player for Kotoko and easy. Be expected. So obey special and obey different. Bro, teams now more teams here no more ball but just NG. Bigger impact. I say I have to me now say me focus more. Maybe me as a normal player for that time long. They say also Messi. I'm here as a leader for now. Yeah.
media.
Leadership no ever take up no protocol. Then the African American are the two stages na masters. Who go quite a lot of people.
Pressure now can pressure pressure. And Ganu, my G captain of it was given to me. And yeah, I have a call for 6 years from now. So being a captain, and yeah, my baby, but sending a music at you. She also me promises. Say you go to Kano. Because we are not what man ya when you go say. Tina ko pona am send so my own day and brand missioner. Me fa ko to control be there say do. That's it. Yeah.
Your name media.
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
They told me put my in check. What did you get, man?
Yeah, Franco Dasi. Your camper, history, you read people and I won't say, yes, so purpose so Nakopon Diabedrin, it's also to make it baby. Till like group now, no find a place or you don't come up and you stay at least for now, the group stages in our perceived group for now. And coaching so or buy on English mobile, they will see me and or a good person now. So there was a kind of way. The new one that you want like the near do one that you want to meet your cocoa that you want to. And then you're close by and you need to come also. But advice here, not say, a person also boy could do baby saying, also catch a party. You're working hard. Yeah.
Your name media.
Yeah, I think perfect. But the last time I put the fourth that is now for your mic is not the truth Ghana man is here and said we need a do but we're sure somebody either here to Takaba and said therefore Botswana. We are sure say young call North Africa and this time now all of them
say now Mexicano we page now yeah in a picture and down is it go to there. Yeah, see a target yeah the amount. Now we can say maybe young people and so be maybe for me bobo and so be moving so by step by step. Young boy Sunday your boy your boy now you watch it there by see for now son of it work.
Your name media. Position of as a midfielder. Sometimes some of the has what we can that's a side. It's me enjoy the style of thing. Sometimes physique which you put in and well then put that on there. Maybe again now to see grammar which you come off the piece.
Mexicano behind my story bobo. For me no. They don't move much and the bomb was say no like me.
Yara, Niama to Tomo Bessa Kona, Yabomodena, Yetimi, Eddie, live winner, Bronte, press conference, and a Ramo, Krobia, Kumasia, Santi Kotoko, Amugimomone, RC Kadiogo, Eddie Babu, and the captain, coach, Coach Sedu Zebo, Captain Richard Boadu Agadas, or more transfer, or more central for ADD in command of the game, no, Eddie Yabesia Kona, Yabomodena, Eramo Kama Pet, Miramana, Seru Nimno, Yadikia Keda Chemo, Sunday supporters, and Monkoshe Park, and also na mu ye dede na mu ye se Kadiogo fonu za ba mo na yen fa na ya bayi emeza bonsan Germany aba de den ho be hihye na kotokwa asho mo sa na mo bi avantu ni team say first leg no kotokwa ko beni na ko shenti no we no ma za enyefo omo nzu betimi aba ha Burkina fo be ya yi ni de omo de national team na nka so mo ba betiti okruma di ɛwɔ sɛ mohwɛ na support no wura na ɛboa ma bibia ɛkɔ yie pɛ timi amanti yɛrɛ ɛnkyɛ yɛbɛsen akɔ na yɛabɔ mmɔden na yɛtumi ɛde awura mu kamakama pɛ amanti ayɛ Sompa TV Sompa 93.1 na aboa ma bibia akɔ yie amanti no yɛbɛfa ma ɔmo akyɛkyɛ nsɛni mu sɛde Sunday bɛsi akɔ after no no yɛbɛsan awura mu fidie ma no yɛdi nkɔmɔ ahodoɔ na aboa na nneɛma dedadi nti yɛrɛ sɛ ɛbɛwura mu no na yɛakɔ ne akɔ yie na ba nti yɛsan to aso na yɛnkɔnkɔ yɛde ɛkɔ so
Insha, step by step. You will feel as an opportunity. Insha, and the intimate boom say, you're going to jump this. Your home match Sunday, the next 2 minutes, or so, no, she says, from or no, you could, but what I say, and yes, a good stage is quite near. You do also, I was saying before.
Right.
The catch on say, since I'm in protocol here, and since I'm in me, we come as senior, they won't protocol. So what is no way? Me, I describe now what Sunday no, Mombra, because without them meeting me, and I mean, so like, a place no, be almost about this now. Different spirit altogether. It's sure more brother come support here. Yes, sure.
Now, sometimes your own reaction was say, there's this misconception out there. Say, I gotta see aggressive or arrogant. Because we're also closer to the pitch, sometimes I see your reaction to it. I had the other one thing on to the Okamel time. I don't say, I'll go a cheaper if you talk as all send a man. But if you have your dear chin who picture now, it create the impression that say, "Who referee?" Your bow deans or a captain, I dare back 1 month for a reason. I got that. The way cry send your corny at them. For those who don't see that side, the idea, the calm aspect of you behind the scenes, you know. I don't know what you would tell them about that idea. Say, was me, I can defend you, who name what goes on down there. I don't know what you say about
that. That's what was that question. I was waiting for this. That's fine. Obinim the way I'll be reacting like me only say Obeka different story. Me new refing passage. And I the way I see bomb ball on yes be am son of the same music and son of the bomb ball and you need to be changing from that. And yes be am sure my put you be an abisa. Aggression is sanity and me position is an on the ball. Meet me go me what I say end. Me you be a me so harsh to Obi oni me pa, machate obi oni me dem stay pa sana. Man for obi oni me beka say, "Hey, gigi ade. Me very campa. By me work in there. Me nya group back so that me and refuge me who refuge or what kind of something attempt say there. I will me nya bi da. Di me kan say obi oni me na beka say, say bia me ni obi wa na o ye bi dia. Beka say go ya meet me en kan amuno wa o say me hu ewe o siti ansa na maka. By Ghana, they know, you can answer me. Tibiba, I was a papa. Papa, me,
thank you. We'll have just a comment from Nazim Jed, who is the video analyst. Nazim, welcome to Ghana. Welcome to Kumasi. How is Kumasi treating you?
Ouais, soyez les bienvenus au Ghana. Ouais, il demande depuis que vous êtes arrivé au Ghana, spécialement comment est-ce que vous vivez l'environnement ici?
Oui, j'ai remarqué beaucoup de difficultés. Donc, je remercie tous les gens qui m'aidaient pour venir ici. Je remercie aussi mes parents, parce que mes parents m'aidaient beaucoup. Mes frères, mes amis. Autant que je suis musulman, je vois qu'il y a beaucoup de musulmans ici au Ghana. J'ai rejoint ce club, ce big club, Enchanté Kotoko. Donc, à part mes objectifs de quitter l'Algérie vers des clubs hors d'Algérie, c'était ma deuxième expérience. Donc, ma première expérience était avec l'équipe Beşiktaş à la Turquie. Oui. Lorsque j'étais étudiant. J'ai fait un stage avec l'équipe de déchiffrage et j'ai obtenu mon diplôme ici.
Yeah, what he said is that when he arrived here, it wasn't easy, but God being so good now is moving well. Firstly, he would like to thank management, those who brought him here, and also his parents, because when the call came for him to come here, he discussed it with his parents before coming, and they agreed for him to come. And when he came, what is motivating him now is that he has seen that there are a lot of Muslims around here, especially in Kumasi here, there are a lot of Muslims. And he being Muslim, I think he's very happy with that. Now to his coaching job, as he just said, he has been to the CTAT and then now to Ghana. He's hoping that things will move well for him.
Just one question.
Well, my name is Obere Champo. We just want to know the scope of his job. When you say a video analyst, what exactly does it mean? At least to educate us, because he's new. His functions, his duties, and the expectations, everything as a video analyst.
Yes, lights.
Sur mon contrat, je suis analyste vidéo. Mais mon diplôme est entraîneur et préparateur physique aussi.
He said in his contract, he signed a contract as a video analyst. Aside that, he's also a physical trainer. That is not part of his way. The contract he signed the contract of a video analyst. So that's why he is here.
No, I know that, but what does the video analyst do? That's what we want to
know. Le rôle
de l'analyse vidéo, c'est viser les points forts et les points faibles et corriger les fautes offensives et défensives. Et aussi, l'analyse vidéo remarque des choses mais que ne remarque pas soit l'entraîneur, soit les supporters, soit n'importe qui.
What he said is that being a video analyst, he's here to know the weak points of the opponent, where the opponent has a strength. He's also here to correct the mistakes that will be coming, because the coach is on the touchline going up and down, might not be seen. But him being the video analyst, after the game, he will watch the game, watching it several times, then come out with the mistakes that came and then draw the coach's attention that this happened, then to correct those mistakes.
Right, so we'll take a few comments from the branch manager, communications director, Nick. So let's.
Really, in some country, I'm not in few issues kaka tolerate. Technical team you say for the first one, I must say trading is a baby behind closed doors. Into your call Benin will be a monitor video houses are being my home fine. I'm a mom hotel car, any place on the party. I must have the very dream. Sashi Shena and I back. My buying sports stadium. A kayak quadia, the wait when I open the back. I support this now, it's my barber training, but it's based on technical advice. It's the best. There's no what this non gate among access and for the stadium. Say, share back. You bring out there to give people. I was saying, your IT work. And it's a first now, classes on courses in training. I also support as one no uniform. Now I recording. I never never open it so at my and the details of your training. It's the best said so the very training our virus was to the number. So you training now behind closed doors supporters any media will not be allowed access into the stadiums. Yes, I said number of training now in an open say everybody will now something are qualified for the next stage and it's not to us Africa. The game so my opportunity in America for sensors in asset. Say Gusua register your home. So you kotokonia the thing as a kotoko number ASN. Some find a fast fire one clubs in Kuli. I say a course jam, I quite preseason. Now, the movie breed, like I said, Sudan team, no my idea. The best left back last season, so other fan. But over comedy and Sudan for the year, it's say a home census project. Our home fans are registered. They have about 12 million registered fans. 12 million, they contribute over $20 million a year for Ahila. At the first Friday, we buy senior coin because of funding. We have fees census with the best say you're going to be away piano. You're paying move our census. Now, you subscribe. They say they already start out the 36 account. Now, when our asset bank Pesa card, we say supporters in the view, so as a shatia or monka. March, science you're born about stadium team. E-ticket and a the best star 711 hash. So a COVID matter. People are COVID matter out to 100 tickets. Now, system so you know, because I challenge you maybe which to some of us, they need e-ticket paying for super pasa. Now, it's not provide the opportunity for it. But we also already come out to make sure, say, we are aware say, over you consider, how much an opportunity to provide it. First, also added to you, say, Yama virtual city, so Emraba. Into the virtual city is also bad. I have published. Kakra be out in Mapa, or some bois, then it's not contributors, not their bois. Now, something also happening. This is the first exercise with the press conference in a very long time. I hope we can continue for other matches as well. It's a better media house of your bias. In Nayabwa, now you promote so much. Now, one has something for the qualify to the next stages. It's Madam Master. I don't know, say maybe one or two questions there. Just one or two, something quick.
Rich, you want to? Okay.
Please, will Frank and Bella be available for selection?
So, Frank and Bella is not available for this day.
Yeah, a lot of people are social media.
It has always been that. I would say the fact that we are very loud on social media doesn't mean say we are not loud on traditional media. I would say we've created it as if say there's a competition between social media and traditional media. And yes, and it's here. But there is protocol mentioned. So being considered a radio program, a radio sports program in our country, in Ghana, you need to manage a radio show area, we don't mention protocol. Not a single one. That's it. It's not just about, it's about the information that we give. It's about the information that we have. And as for rep, we are also working on that to also get press. But it's about the information. And as Santi Kotoko is one of the clubs, we provide information than any other club in Ghana. And that you know for a fact. Saying also Kotoko and money and also assorting. So that is what we are doing. But of course, we also continue to improve on all aspects. We are not just going to improve on the traditional media, but also we are going to improve on social media as well. Because we all know, say yes, sports will come out. Sometimes I change between foreign sports and local sports. But a foreign sports, we don't have reps in our radio station anymore. But they provide content. I need to regionals where they have discussions. Our content even the SFSA provides. So last season, we provide statistics of our players. There's no maybe other club in Ghana consistently who provide statistics of their players like others. And all these things generating content in a discussion. Two main critics said there's a competition between social media and traditional media. No, the two of them are working together as anti-protocol. They get united as a protocol. So whether much more buying so hopefully you may consider there's another big match ahead of us and also better to us with us.
Last one.
I heard that you are forming a communications team.
Information area, I will make it official.
So by it's in the pipeline.
We will make it official. And like I said, it's a step. So today we see how you have to travel ahead of time.
Thank you so much, Coach. Thank you, Rich. Thank you.
Anti Yeramu Kokofa Kumase Asante Kotoko Nino Komodidi Anachese Wase Amobo Modern Central Fodi Ghana Fonina the Eye of Gima Amone RC Kadiogo Edebweni Nyambwa Sunday Enona Yeramu Kumasi Babara Sports no Koko Fight Timi Edebreo Eti Watitin Komona Bia who say the game no Ebesi Akoye Den Ye Koba Yape ya bomodena afi no abiafo na trase ya rewura man sana the crossfire debate no ewura kama peda man tie den on kitu abia kwere ba ya pe de akibia eto aso etimi de amamo.
Let's place a bet on this afternoon's game
and this evening's action, bro.
And 3 more tomorrow. Okay, remember, when I slow down, when I take a break, and I stop chasing losses and stick to my budget, that's when I'm going to have a lot more fun. So, let's place a bet on this afternoon's game. Bet responsibly. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
Charlie, some things can be very painful, like hitting your toe against the corner of a table. Or a failed cash transaction because of insufficient funds. But that's where Vodafone Cash Overdraft will help you shop life regardless. Vodafone Cash Overdraft is the latest innovation that adds to your Vodafone Cash wallet when your balance is not enough to pay for your Vodafone transactions. Just dial *110#, select option 5 to opt in. Now, let's say you won't buy 50 cedis monthly data where you get only 30 cedis for your Vodafone Cash wallet. You will get a notification saying you can access additional funds to complete your transaction. You accept the offer, done. Overdraft. Oh, say yeah.
Oh, yeah. The new Vodafone Cash Overdraft service allows you to access additional funds to complete your Vodafone Cash transaction. Be it paying for your broadband subscription, buying airtime or mobile data, or even sending money. Terms and conditions apply.
Vodafone.
It's a new season, a new era, as new players and coaches with great ambitions aim for the ultimate. Don't miss any of the action, the drama, suspense, the goals, plus the insatiable excitement and support of the fans. Are you ready?
I am ready.
I am ready.
We are ready.
We are ready.
And up by 2 goals to 1. That's sublime skill. Exquisite effort.
What an amazing game. It's the Bets Power Premier League, live in HD, only on Star Times.
Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Asrakas ya kwefama ya boafo dada mobo am ye ba betram ye dwuma kama prayet mi edi ema na mo no aseda no enkwefama a betway Madaro ma betway Ghana ebo amanema da ye prayet mi ya me pa cho no obo modin ewura mo UEFA Europa League no UEFA Conference League no wenya ska bebri no twimu na santo aso eni na the 5 major league no emu 9 ebo modin na etimi ahya ase o chene beto aso Sunday ebeto aso makere ato se jackpot no omori tumu 50 pesos obabo modena wetimi enya be se 1 billion eno na nche 1 cedi no ero ko 2 billion tie no a eno so far phone no obo www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh uroma o akwanya so mo app no betimi a download ni ho ye beji info awodo na wo dedamo so so ko na wakwakoche wadweno anya skibri omo also no e ya de wo so panti fa obo mo ne mboa na ntoto ye da ye pa emfa manya football nko eba na basketball tennis eba na athletics no eba no Formula 1 and afi de aka kan nyina ombeboa na no so no wetimi ache wadwe na ne ma de da ye pa etimi edi amount me pacho ramne mwa na nhihye no ene da ye so no efama weekend ye de a obediska e betway and amasa ska no Vodafone vozi en ken fancho say the Vodafone Red Love affair no na jezoma bomodin abosumi ya yewram no ye de odosronko ache de bozi na aba bebaze na sa we no de man ye depa ne say Vodafone Red packages no ena no mabo modin asankra ne mama yeso bo modin na uram wo sa package na o akonya se credit bi ebeba minute bi ebeba o de betimi abo modin ere afre ada networks no ntutumu za pa omo ayejuma pa na o de ane ze ene sike bi a onso no wo no obo modin na wetimi ada star 200 hash na wabɔ mmɔden na wetimi ada oda pɛ wɔn zampa packages ni be yeri aba oyusu anaso ochusu the red package na maza odi demukra dodo bi abeto bia no o akwenya so be frɛ other networks no na aboa ma ne ma koye pɛ timi ara manti anka ne mo ana mo yusu red packages na e voda to foda no ne o masankra ne mamo e voda to all networks no na aboa ma ne ma koye pɛ timi ara ma ne nka ne na data won sensem no ni o Vodafone too much ene niema no adane ababe Vodafone too much Vodafone too much na munkomo no udia ese nete yese enkane na bomodin etimi ewramu ewore too much ni ma auto data na ya ka chozo ya ma dam yensa time no so ase wa yusu onyusu yo omosanje omade de star ra yenjini biem ena afi so no first no obomode register anaze bono to data be 10 Ghana na untimi to biem de star ra no obetimi atododo bi ape dodo na ape no uyusu a gozize twera bonyankopon beba za ensan ya ukrekramu za nya de so moje etimi refi unsam no so no obomode na wetimi ada we na boa na ne ma koye pa etimi ara ma star 700 hash star 700 hash onso no de demo na Vodafone too much no uram na boa ama ne ma koye pere ama Vodafone further together ama daroma ye baba betra medjuma no remedy ama na efie da den Kings R ne beba na Kings R no me pa cho ma kedi acho zoro wani HM Asen Central opimpo ye MPO na opimpo no Ghana wa ye edjuma pa edjuma so de wa ye bia man kofon uzampa oyobi a obo edjuma na edjuma so ni nyina ne se enkwada no bi wie school a ya na edin so obenye ska kra to school no so en opimpo fe ne Kennedy Japan eboa man kwada no to aso ye de bi mu awura mu amanone ode bi mu awura mu edjuma mu wasan boa ama ne dodo na no mo da so no na nka ye agi aguna bam etimi era amano ntia no kan bi ena Kings R no me patro fie de bia on Sompa 93.1 ye bo modin a 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. no ye the Kennedy hour na etimi ebro na Kennedy hour no etro pimpa no na bakwa se na brabo mu anamonto ni nemo de toto na kwama aboa ma na babe odefo ne obo nipa dodo na titu no MPP amanyoko no waye bi dia ma mu ye party me patro Fridays bia eye 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Kings hour no ebeba nti transnative bi na wo ye young ebebo abrabo no ebetro ntochi ya be ya eboa na hyehyɛ na da ye soro etimi edi ama kama pa na utie di wi a obehu die nti ahu behia so pempa na wose eto abama no na oba MPP amanyoko no oba bedoma no etimi eboa na debi no yeto abayi ni so mrama me Ghana man panyin timi pajo program we de ema enye se onso no onye so betie wo so tie ebeboa na abrabo no niam de ye pe etimi edi amanto omunyina e kan mi ne baba be transfer full time no so a ye rira mu kama pa so no etimi edi ema bedwafo na transe na momi na membo bobo we teto na menko jamo na ye ni nkomo akra bi all no e woza chair no erambe 11 na bibia apem na the crossfire debate ni eden ho a na eto aso etimi edi amana mom no Mrs Jennifer Awua Ajay ene ye ma wawoda na Dr. Frank Awua Ajay ena fe waba DJ Tofiakwa manager of Idema ena fe sports crew ni nyina ye show mama happy birthday erademwa na onye wakoma so ade bia mfa ma na brapana waba ne no kofo na mwana monso musua no amunkoso ansua na ne manko ye performantima nyame hia okose no mboa na bibibia ne uhia no enkwemfamantima ne no ye dedicate bibia de ma ezanze yoda and a special day ne basia ya na e was a rurama ne bomodin etimi edi edemantima happy birthday once again me na member board ya aka no so mfama wa na afi menko na mene abidafo no nsanto aso na bibibia de da ye pa entimi emfama ezanze ni kofu bebre eromo edi omoda your Benedicta Prempe yesuru ani chemo Sugar Nails and Sugar Nails and Wakes Cafe our Tech Junction ni abrandi event Benzema ezien kwemfama anti Benedicta Benzema show special happy birthday your Faustina Adai na jaza akra so akra enezu your Faustina Adai akra so ne birthday bibia Fausti wo bia no Fausti zunyi na bra be penyimpa na niamanko ye kama soro etimi emfa emao ene wo Hajia Aya odo wani chemo Boache Dankwa Hospital hona Hajia enso wa ono so bo mode etimi eye djuma eboa ma ne makoye pa etimi edema no Togbe Michel enso free Togo na dodo na so no your friend Akapo Joko Samson di Tobe enezo ye onso no wawoda di Tobe happy birthday ewramo entimi enfama Randolph Osei Bonso dodo na fe Tiago na Tiago nso no orwa ni chemo ewo UCC a or level 200 ne Tiago student wo ha na cheso no nso no ewramo kama so no etimi era amano na Madam Mary Akosia Jemfua Okra na ono orwa ni chemo Reverend Ajim Memorial Basic School Presby A obichima na cheso na na man so no mrebi etwem no na ma ye ni juma na ne ba na ye Akwisi Afrane ni resere nema esie kwa ono nso na Brekum Chelsea obu ejuma edemo mo ase team manager ti ene Madam Mary Akosia Jemfua Okra happy birthday nkwenfa ma yo Leonard Otin Boama na chesi nesu ye Leonard ono nso na wodanti Leonard so no enramu kama pa entimi emfa emano ti birthday special na you know ye rama bibia ko ye petimi edema ojana bibia che ye de
ami adumo minua ya bako
say the course no zun ze na niam de dama
fantastically well I must admit
ma ye mbaba mu kakra na mehwe na enye ya but report I made teachers Ghana on zananke ye hwe zi ebenya Nico Williams after Inyaki Williams no so mbebo ejuma ma no paluta ba bebreki de man kofo said ne Luis Enrique be friend and power friend no di Inyaki Williams ni nu akuma na be say chama amfa ebefa wo
ebefa Munil Erhard dad nti ebefa bra one area Spain are so blessed nyamia shede shrom with wing forwards attackers on bon 10 wa hono Sadio Mane for Yeremi Pino ho Ferran Torres ho Sarabia ho Carlos Soler nso ho omu nyina ye right ansana omu left-footed players on the other side nti me wo gidi mapa say eye Nico Williams we on person locking down for Spain sene be Ghana eni be free so sene ya Munir eni Morocco ye no sa na me wo gidi say Nico Williams eni ombe
yeah de never ba baraze mre no na enye ni mani
obaba nti my mohu bebre ana say my yem nhie bebre because Spain enye an ordinary nation especially say attacking players senka Nico Williams say out and out number 9 kam yembe shimi pa because Spain omun shede ni number 9 for emre bi atwam no na onkomo Torres omo via almost strikers bebre and omun shede ni bi Morata friwa won bi na abebo ni din Borja Iglesias wo mo no akodi o Villarreal for ihoyi ntino yenya butre yen concentrate on team na ye wo sisia no e wodo a senia eye emre bi atwam no na ogide mapasa be ye akran ba be si akan de amai
Mate ma mire na membobo we no so kakra afisem no so taw na yenye bi one ye be din komo pa ti ma membobo so ansana ya bana ya kakra na for the crossfire debate no 11 ba yetimi ewramo na ene yoruwa ni chemu nsu atra Ghana Premier League no day 2 Bet Power Ghana Premier League ma day 2 game ba ko be kosu nsu ateman omo transfer no omo ene bibia ni Go Stars etimi ediabo ni 3 pm perepe ye hwe bibia atoto ma na chese ni no ye be wram ni abomode na nema bi ekoso obia no etimi ewramo nso no etimi ere amana nra Accra to folk oro wani chemo St Thomas Aquinas Park amobomode ama training no etimi ekoso na no edempa hon komo no ne sere hon sem no esi etia after we no coach ye friend Samo Bodu ena Abdul Fatau Abranti ya friend Mohamed Fatau nini omo makade nyina ebomode etimi eko kodidi nkomo oye grass na wako mo nyina ewra mo edidi nkomo a ebo ama ne madade impa etimi ero na nkomo no de edikan no ye bisa Abranti ye friend Fatau Mohamed ze Fatau we sere niema esi eko ene di erewrama ene no preparation amo ye di akwa mo Olympics game no ona ye captain se na nkomo no esi etie obomode na edi nkomo bebre enkomo sei na Abranti ye friend Fatau ebomode edi jai
Olympics last season anymore season we will be assisting so we have no number kwa share but ya share ebia match number last weekends no almost share so ya pick it from what the almost boy no so it be counter on the camera Sunday
Atia no yen komo bomode etimi adija ni nyina mo na ebo ama na makoye pa etimi ade ma afternoon na grass na awako so ye midfielder de ma hatful kono ze bisa no ze team na ye ready se Sunday game o moko akobo eritia ne former club no omo be ram no mako akobo ejuma na se na abo ama na makoye da man komo si no no so no adija.
They feel good, they feel confident because they won their first game. We lost to Diana away, which I think we didn't do bad, but we didn't get the results. So I know people are not happy with us. We are still calm. We are trying to put things together. The staff are doing all they can to make sure we correct. The staff are also doing their work. They are doing all they can to make sure we correct all the wrongs that happened in the Diana. So we are really preparing very well. And as I said, we are very calm and we are waiting for that very game on Sunday.
Atia no yen komo bomode etimi eri tudwe bo ama na makoye pere ma after no ko samobodo ye bisa no nchodi a okokodi ye against Adriana e wo ma day 1 no na ohwe sere ne mesikwa ni di roma na nchodi na ya pe no so no anu yesi no de mi.
Yeah, it wasn't error, but it's a organization. The moment you lose ball no to the Adriana players no, the organization and the communication no until all of them were chasing one ball. Until no one said when we are the one who putting pressure on the ball and the covering player, we must have those other people to organize well to see the opponents who are running into empty spaces. Until no one
Etiano yen koma obomode etimi ene edi after na ebisa na se kunedu yadom na Salifu Ibrahim omon so kra no omon komo no sen city e we nim se kunedu ajoin the team no Salifu so no ya hu se no ye training no omon komo no sen no so esiete.
Yeah, Kunedu is part of House of Folk team. We have more than 40 players in our camp. So anyone at the training ground is part of the team. So the Sunday we will see those who will start and those who will come from there. Yeah, now we thank God Salifu is back, but we are working on the rehabilitation with the conditional wise. I'm saying he came early. The man bantima physical coach not deny the training be obey and we are bumpy say obitimi a journey now so no be journey the House of Folk family.
Etiano yen koma obomode etimi erija ni nyina mo na bo ama na makoye pa etimi era mena after no ene bizans Olympics so aso mo mfi on wedding kakra o ye Kasim Razak mo ene omo makaka na ejuma na omo ye na no edin nti ne health mfi on ene Olympics amode omo ekwa akobo eni omo sukra midfielders a amomodo mo no so eni no de na no so kan edefa.
But we also have strong, very good midfielders. Yeah, here Awako, then Eso, then Linda. We have Linda, Fenge, and all that. They are very good, but the problem that I'm having is the language barrier between me and them. Say French and Menti, almost no anti brofo, anti, and Kohasi no Pushikosi no akoye problem. But with time, I beat me a couple with them, and I think say as a folk will be fantastic. But
Etiano ya komo bomode etimi ene edi ani nyina mo na bo ama na makoye pa etimi ere mama na nra mama ya krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo training na etimi e course ewo Babara said ye confirm de man no omo training behind closed doors ene so free pion be training behind closed doors na nyambo a ochena anopa omasen akwa training ochena free pm no RC Kadiogo enso ebe ram no akwa training na nema akoye pera mama na training e course no emrantie etimi an join team no ene omo an training no Sharif Mohammed and our face no Brantia FN Justice Nkukuble and it was a Richmond Lampton so no na ne fitness level no form kakranti no when timi an join omo ne omo training na mo maso agimana kito after say plan the net chen kakra no in ono so ababa be ramu team mu a wa sha se prepare se ne ma be dey pa etimi era mo nti no a we nsuo no se de na si to se de na si tweri gu no ni nyina mo no na Brantia ni gina ma no mo training se de be an ma be dey pa etimi edi amo mo nti ne hon komo no era no hu se coach a ye friend Sedu Zebo and I feel Richard Bodu Agadas omo ebo mo de hon koma omo de remetimi ramanti Sunday yeguso kan mon konko support omo na emwana ne mande da yepa entimi afama jojam ma yeni nkoma akra ansa na yakwaba na medam wa crossfire debate no etimi eremo yenhwe ne match ba ko etodwa ewo nsuatre eno so nanche ohwe se de niema esie ko ne di erema na ache se boama bibia akoyepa etimi ede ma we boama nhihye no enso etimi adeda din na niema akokama kama pa so etimi edi amajoja mehwe ene Premier League ne sha se samoboda ahead of Gamashi derby no we din komo na Kotoko so de no na yewura man sana de akebia ato aso
Kotoko the enemy or reservations by the bet for because of match. No?
Oh, okay.
What I say, the focus should be solely on the match. So what I say, Kotoko stakeholders also. We know how to deal with the press. We know how to deal with the media. But the substance of the day, and it's a Asante Kotoko coach. Say Sebi, yena ne num ekeka na ne ye ka ne pa. Coach na ngasa odi team ne e kono ye boki nani. Osi onim kade ogufo no ye pa. Oni o mabo obenin. Nansu Kumasi, obenya ananka wo ba Kumasi ana yem hwehwew. Nansu kade ogufo ma ba hada. Omo history about Kumasi. Burkina Faso aba Kumasi abe hadwen. Nti no wa ba bi atibia ne Bra Stadium. Captain na ono susu di team nanum enso say Bra Stadium. Nti ene wa ma stadium na na otifie pedien yan kasa. Because omo be ye adwuma no mo ankasa say omo hia nti bra. And the coach couldn't have put it any better. Look, so one master stadium na enema betimi akwacho e de amatim no. Nti ment na fie na enhwe say obetie commentary ana bibi. Genuinely, or reason be I want me ma fair play. But the reality is that look, you have to be at the stadium. And that's very important. Also about stadium. Now be tight team nechi. And you team konkai my team. It's very, very critical. Kotoko peso moko menim. Kwacha de efe this ka ene fasikan be she kotoko botom na bon akoma na bibia ntimi konkai. Results any the judge football matches. Until no matter how well you play. So when to me and your results are nsema ye kafa ho no kra no enye papa. Has ball omo ball no do ma hinkru no. Na was pa. Look, say first round in 10 games na mahwe I've had the opportunity to see 5 of the 8 games played. Kotoko amo omo ni nsu atrama ye omo sinche omo se 28 September no boss abo no. Has any aduana no in terms of technical quality was the highest. Boa na omashasha na omo bono na no edin. Na wosro papa. Nti sa has enya results a obeka say bi o ma anya de. Na mum obomode abo pin won ehwe game ni bie. Obehu say the output, the process was very good. It's the end result and omo enya. I'm hoping say omo ni Olympics ebeton a top quality match. To have been able to beat Bechem United and enya the ketwa for Olympics because Bechem our team we Augustino Kra and a few people are out. Almost a beefy team ne up. Into a big game. Imagine Hearts ball match we next week come back Kumasi.
Yeah.
Now almost lose 2 matches on the trot. The camp and the start to the season wouldn't be okay. Last season Hearts a defending champions. They didn't start the season well. Last 2 seasons Omuji League they didn't start the season well. A tree and almost push by. It cannot continue for the 3rd successive time. I would say Hearts a team started season here. Yes. Omo matches na dinsin obi ade. Olympics Adriana Kotoko. 2 of them away. Olympics they no cry din regardless of some bonakra. So nemum nensem na o kano. Na eniju and say oselenda o ho numbo ne bo nemum or language problem. Kotoko coach no. Oye Burkina be onka English. Ompe kwan bi so a obe lenda ne be din komo. Now with me and football is a universal language. Pass. Look, Ujina Park needs to be our mokasa. And Bella Mobile Boy. Mfegi Mobile. He should find a way to get his instructions across to the player. No more man. Because based on the little we've seen, all high prospects, born on him. Maybe be anti-min konkai. Nanya kama. I'm optimistic. Say ne nshia trema ene buno ma another Premier League team akwaba. Regional enya Premier League teams ankasa am say so money nkran ene pre. Baby I ball na dru no. Say Premier League ni nsuatra, it will take a lot away from them. Nemum obi owo nsuatra twumasi krom dumasua baby a wo bia fear pre. Berlin top dumasi tra abisim New Doma, Yehima, Kotokrom, every person around. Free breakum so ban siatre, obia amran siatre mine. No ko ball ni bi. No mon fan share Ignatius Bafuwa, West Sunyani MP ni monyam. O mon fan share players na ni monyam. No mon fan matim na kwaba no mon kan mo say aba atnase.
Ojamati, medase pa boto.
Well, House of Folk, just a little on House of Folk. You see, very important. especially Coach Bedo Notias, you can't lose to a club like Grey Olympics on 3 occasions. Last season, Hasbrook Shomo twice. Olympics Hasbrook twice, sorry. And this season, Olympics. So sure, even the GC's Obo boy you could see say, look, Olympics, Obo are very determined. They have not lost many players, and the team is still very strong. And so the major minus for Grey Olympics here, Coach Anowaka Wako Samatex. But don't forget that even your Rash, your pre coach was Hasbrook. So he knows the Hasbrook team very well. So as someone bouncing back from a Adriana defeater, this game is a very crucial game. Game being Hasbrook power, especially when next game you're against bitterest rivals, Asani Kotoko. And psychologically, say obeye BB against Kotoko, the best bet is at least end even a point or win against Grey Olympics. Almost lose against Grey Olympics that match against Hasbrook will not go well for them. So the coach should work on the team and they should make sure that they take their chances. Almost create a lot of chances, but the conversion is a problem. They should let them take their chance at Grey Olympics and let's see what happens. As I look at the American say, Coach Nakasa, Coach Nakanima be but I'll focus more on the attendance of the game.
Yeah.
We are subsequently having an opportunity to discuss Nema Coach Naka about other relevant issues. Near here, say, we are Sani Kotoko supporter, making sure say ticket no start it on the platform, must start it. What whisker to be a chenkro for MP Sudumaka, and then Friday, MP Suno, me information from Kotokono and Kuyi. All the members of parliament in this region, don't disgrace yourself. Why want me and to ticket ama o constituent almost supporting Kotokobia we MP Okruma we go animasi. Regional minister, I'm still waiting for the regional minister to buy a lot of tickets. Regional minister, one to ticket cry. A regional minister should not buy less than 20,000. We ain't here. From where you see it, you are the father of the region. Regional minister, one to ticket cry 20,000. Mayor Sampai, you need to make sure that you prove that you are mayor of the city. Unye mayor yenyen keke. Moment like this, you saw your mayor. Mayor, you have to move, and your pocket must move. Mayor also thought between 10 to 20,000. To any regional minister, Kabuma, you 40,000, 30,000. Give it to media house, no munche. Omo anyamin so abuamo ashramu. Making sure that at least turn chenkro for kakra, so that together we will have a colorful day. Stadium no be ma. I do go from Roman say we who be there. Na yen shake your muna at least. Emma players no enya gidi. Say supporters see actually or dos from kun. Na ekwa mo afa so tie chia. Yen timi mo anim go asida. And found say na kunu be ko bia no. Ombe making sure say ombe pike bibi frame to get a very good result, a better qualifier. Like I said, stage where we change stage be because se kotoko timi qualifier. Say nyamin pengu no mo qualify for no man come with him crap or more another opportunity some bebo confederation cup. All the here. And the qualification or hand enye negotiable. A must. And technical team no yom mujuma. Players no so are sure, but players captain coach see. Players no see some who supporters now. Performance no better quality performance. So I think that a clarion call to all supporters and Kasane Numjano Dosudu Munko Park no munko support you. African venture no say very expensive. Omunko Burkina Omunko Benin by a cabibri and mo call mo support you. At the end of the day, club no so nyesika send be players no be sure mu ye coach no so near maybe some 2 years and na call next destination no. And so Atreman is to the players, any coach. Where a history being made. A history. Where a historic moment. First game Nangasa, a history on its own. Now your player no boss to Atreman. Now two papas were. You don't deserve to even play the next game. Because I saw living the history. And they come what may, they must be able to pick the three. Here. A crow be a table with a crow din. Nank of where free se crow be crab and nanti a bibe fakaba. enije ade baako pɛ no mo hia 3 points sɛ mo bɛ mo 3 enije sronkom de bɛkɔ and what that also means ne sɛ henceforth no ɔmbɛnya gidie sronkom wɔ team no mo sɛ me nante 10 miles grab am nim so ye nim sɛ football dey be team but at least first victory no too important and ebema krom and kroma ye there ebema omo win here ebema kromo wa beja enije sronkom omo yare wo kromo okra benya healing because so atremana wini omo hu bi da bebre kran so hu da se emre beba kro efe no so atre benya Premier Division club omo so hu da I mean e bi kra still e yom say ade no kra no kra na match kra baso na because o shares enye kro kese bia o dey say aha and this a document say doma this bia bofa kwani friend say so sunyane abofa kwani bia wo ananti say bechem o dey so and then a moment of players no technical team and the players some live with this moment and some players do a GDS from some start here I'm making sure some hope no because away there obi fie ohun odin kra nyobi fie azuma na timi yesa nyobi na timi yesa untimi ko obi fie boboro football mo na ko gigi 3 points there be heading 1 point cry ding
Abosto mate mera sepa ma na mo na men komra me ba the crossfire debate ene yereram na ye din community ye den ho ye ko ba ya pede akibia eto aso etimi e de ama oh ye hwe na ya den ho na ye ramo betwe after no na de akibia no ya bomode na ye etimi e da to aso de ama
They'll play a high press to force the mistakes.
They'll dominate the aerial ball. They too tall. We will handle the pressure and smash them on the break.
The number 9 has scored in their last 5 games.
The passing will be quick, decisive, precisely. There will be drama in the dying minutes. This match will mean more than 3 points.
They will have the home ground advantage. This is why I bet.
This is why I bet. This is why I bet. Betway.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly, not for persons below 18 years.
Hey, Charlie, nyoma bi ya pao. Pese weni nana wana bobo pa. Ana hu ade bi pa opese otonansu wusikanso. Oh. But we that you know, Vodafone cash overdraft. Remember when Philip Peche. Ane, wo de dial *110 hash. Select option 5. Na with them. Say yemfa no say opese auto 50 cedis data bosumi bia. Na aka usika 30 cedis wo Vodafone cash wallet so. Vodafone cash overdraft nje share no ma okwan ma wonya sika ka usika ho. Yeah, the opposite we be overdraft. Oh, say yeah.
Anyo, we for a big Vodafone cash overdraft is a ma will climb a winning sikaka usika. So we do Vodafone cash 8-year broadband subscription. Auto airtime, na data, and posse will send the sika. Just like a card down.
Vodafone.
Atu akwenya so bebo modern na wetimi adun waram na aboa mane makoye pa etimi era mezan se Vodafone for the chihye pa ba na Vodafone cash overdraft me pacho auze brofo ba kwa ye ha dwen pa no obeti insufficient balance ya na ho a e ha dwen kakra mo amount to nkoye pa emfa amount ni e wo so obo modern na Vodafone cash registration no odun huram na overdraft no ma minchemu kakra emfa ma ni nyina nze na wo hu ade bi ope na ade na ope no sika na da wallet so no Vodafone cash no so no form ina ansa ade no ne bo no e be say 80 Ghana make us also 60 Ghana and na da wallet no so me pacho ombeboa ama sa ade na ope no omotwa bi asoso ama so no wetimi ato to di anze obomode no wada star 110 hash star 110 hash no abomode select option 5 or select option 5 na obe follow that prompt no na for opt in na boa na nema koye pa netimi e diamant Vodafone o say ye o tepe na onzampa Vodafone overdraft no na chese Vodafone cash overdraft na aba as a credit card person to now Voda cash no so no 50 Ghana na pay na 30 Ghana na order so amepacho ye beboa na yetimi edi 20 no asoso ama na wetimi edi atomaka ze ne bebi edu no odiska bebri na maya na ha adwenti kakra bi na ade atoso okokota ade ni wiam resim no wa bomode no watwa Vodafone for de etimi edi ama kende achozo omo de no ye nanka bia wo na mo resim no unya sika na wetimi edi renting tempa joining pay wo peden e was Vodafone cash na Vodafone no o register Voda cash no na eboa e ma na makoye pa netimi edemanti Vodafone cash overdraft o say ye omo ye juma pa Vodafone fed together almost your maba eba beboa na Ghana yasi afanye nya ne makoye pa etimi ediamanti tetem so no ramuna mwama ne manda ye pa emfa ema yake dia chose weekend matches ne ba eye betway also no so obebo mode no watwa we diska kese beboa na jackpot no eneni ama de ye pa etimi edi ama kama pa ni na ene se efo kwa matches ni guo we mazi we be draw we be win it, we be she we be kwa we akwa she we be we ni na no o predict na fa 50 pesos per your 1 city 50 pesos your 1 city dio obenya ska bebre eno ye betway enti f pa fa nra mu na mboa na hyehye ne koye soro enti me fa mana makandi ajoze Ghana the only league that matters no the Ghana Premier League no emude the Ghana Premier League no na no eduana ne hat folk no mepacho obo modena wetimi enye biahwe na bebi enye biahwe ne bebi ba kope ni nyina so obo modena Star Times decoder no waka kojo de na Star Time for omo kam wate ase said the only league that matters no ewo edi no so no mepacho the Ghana Premier League no Bet Power Ghana Premier League ubenye biahwe Star Times decoder no ne bo no wo form obeje after no omo app no ramo Google Play Store wa obo modena wetimi a download na onso no de atoso omo pictures no qualities no de was ye papa this time is matches no omobobo modern yi dodo na amanso ahwe on the in the Ghana Premier League no yes bosume so na okwa subscription na obo modern na ye ediwia na no emakomako enum ye re chokwa se ne fa hwe matches ni bi fa hwe de ode be hwe na mboa na ne manko ye print me emfa ma mo decoders no o pebi ato amepacho o wakwenya so obebo modern na oni omo etime didi nkomo na omo zi na GPL no na jazere Ghana Premier League bouquet no obezo obo modern na hwe wo app no so a onzenyi nyina na bosome so a yesika 7 de ye omo de no man totoye app no so no emprempre na no ndo etimatwia be se 2 Ghana series na afa ya bia de amao matches outdoor na abereti ze weekend big matches no mbe yi no owe na sika 7 de ye the code no na ntimi recharge omo app no so no obo modern atwia 2 Ghana series na wahwe matches nyina na ne makoye pa etimi e diamant ne no uhia bia omo hotline no frɛ number no na bebi obi ebeboa na decoder no on set mi akabini acho kwen abefa so a on so yusu na abo 0242 437 888 0242 437 888 and afi WhatsApp line no your 0553 511 993 0553-511-993. Star Times, enjoy digital life. Tiramuna, yamwana ne manko yepa. Entimi enfama. The crossfire debate ya den Mariki akedi achose hon komono se na esiete yen komo emu de yepa. En komo so a ano share boama ne ma da yepa. Etimi ediamana se netie moshino as which of this is the greatest comeback in Asante Kotoko's history. Na your Asante Kotoko versus Dolphins. And no, 2008 that comeback no. And if your Asante Kotoko versus Zamalek, that's 1987. Na just no so no na no edin papa edin emotion e sa na tie time no your Asante Kotoko versus Dolphin and Bishop Collins Atapuku and a bomode dia batimi no your Asante Kotoko versus Zamalek and also no 1987 your Jeffrey Asai the Apostle and a bomode dia ram ni na de prapra kwamo na nyambo Sunday that big game etoja e wo Kumasi Babara Sports the one with the ampa the crop yetime ye so boko Africa the crop yetime ye dinebra nabra besua de betie history no na mwana ne manda ye performance the crossfire debate ye dan ye koba ya pe de akebi eto aso de ama
Ojai
Asante Kotoko say yeah, yeah.
Asante Kotoko say yeah.
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
Asante Kotoko yeah.
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo.
Sompa Sports.
Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo.
Anti, no. Yahana yanko prefona trans yeram the crossfire debate so nim no 10 minutes ye de chance after no or bi obeba support na 5 minutes na no eramo na afi yahwe ne didi nkoma no kwepema rebata na beba na omwe onso no betimi ato aba Sompa TV on YouTube, Sompa 93.1 on Facebook na afi okọ ye Twitter and why report na to obetimi akono akoto aba na aboa na ne ma da ye pretimi edi amountino yerko simadu ere ye Ramo Apostle ene di eshas Apostle yanko
Abu chia ye tifo ni omomuhwene Ghana ha club abakosem no ye wo miracle mienu pe ye wo the miracle of Elwak has ni Mufulira Wonders of Zambia omuhwe has 5-2 of Zambia polo ambo polo bebo ha omuwini and ye wo the super miracle no 1987 near Asante Kotoko and Zamalek Eshia eno. Niente super miracle ne se Sebi Mufulira Wonders no munye champions. Zamalek at the time Kotoko Ebeshia Zamalek no born na motion wo TV no so no. Na Zamalek in 1986 Eshia African Sport la Côte d'Ivoire. Eshia 2-2. Abrantier Ayman Younes. Eshia 2 goals. Emma Zamalek. And then Goodest Bar. And a Logel. A team African Sport la Côte d'Ivoire. 4-2 on penalties. And Zamalek Eddie Winnier. And so Zamalek ever into the competition in 1987. They came with the full squad. Before then, Zamalek or AFCON. 1986, AFCON, Zamalek had 4 players together with early players, almost share Cameroon, Eji Kapno. One of the finest defenders Egypt has produced, Aima Ahmed Rashid, top class centre back, played in that particular competition. Abrantier, your friend, Raid Kachesh, played as a left back in that competition. Tarek Yahya, one of the most skillful and intelligent players Egypt has produced, a boy in that particular competition. Above all, Abdul Hamid Gamal played in that competition. Zamalek team never bought Kotoko. They provided 4 top players for the Egyptian national team and win in 1986 Cup of Nations against Cameroon. Now, that Zamalek team, a dreaded Zamalek squad, almost winning 86, 1987. Almost see Ombeye back to back. And the quarterfinals, Kotoko Cairo, Numbre, Nanya is ya wompa, and Omuyin Konya, Utino Zo, Yaka, Ralph Gafar to Younes to Ahmed Mohamed Eni to Ishmael Yusuf. First go, Abba. Na Kotoko. I'm a Roxin, ne Thomas Hammond, no one is Brum Kakra. No Mushe Kotoko 2-0. Now remember, I'm saying that this team is the defending champion. Sabio and yet team Biaka. I mean, I'm not talking about doubles or Munifida. They are not a mighty team. In fact, in 2008 on Bokoto, when they even came to almost 2000 about AFCON Ghana, Nigeria squad, none of them, they don't even qualify to be there. They are almost almost left on one of them. Unlike the Zamalek players, and these are the defending champions we are talking about. And two, omo share. Omo bedua 5th minute. Baba rush aye ma. 5 minutes. I'm a Younes here making an answer my finals. It is also share 2 goals. Danger money. Ebe share first go 5 minutes. Na stadium no ding. A whole now what we call Asante Kotoko. Kotoko are made for such moments. And you are coming up against a dreaded side. Don't forget that the last time Kotoko was in the finals was in 1983. And goalkeeper Mohamed Odum. First goal no free kick. I'm a Younes boy and a net. Abdul Razak or ran net room and a golden boy. He was the captain of the team. And a far ball. No say Roxon. Only Thomas Hammond. KLM. First in the air. Me pacho mo make sure say a children mo bomb by. Savo. That's Savo Jeff Black president. You be dink of Juma pa. Yen no ma be kan. Omo defending champion the bebe chrom say ye na Asante Kotoko kuma pima pembeba. Ena omo di ball no to. Pass here. Na Savo Jeff peja. Edema principal of the Banachi, principal Peja, na a deflected Mohamed Hefni, corner. Na Kofi Abri, Wilson Kofi Abri, oh God. Abri ko Jinechi. Peja, na Saforu. Priya, Ralph Gafani baby Saforu, pine. Let that net. 1-1. Don't forget, say, near 5th minute, almost share, and a Kotoko Tika in 2 minutes. You can't super miracle. You have the defending champion. And winning the air ball. Super miracle. 1-1. Afedi half pack. Adiba kwa na kwekwo chiri ye our left back. Ahmed Hanen. O high Kotoko first leg papa. What do you do for the game no? Ti afedi na Samayepe from the right flank. Oh. Na ho there. Na basa for Jemfi. Savo Jemfi de ma principal to Kofi Abri. Kofi Abri back to Savo Jemfi. Savo Jemfi Ediama King George Atta ball shot no. Na Rashid a blocky corner kick. Kofi Abri biu. Na principal ni Savo Jemfi nanam in bono. Kofi Abri peja na nation who is the right back of us and go. G eno peja principal pa net. 2-1. We are 9th minute. Osu bezo miracle. Obehu miracle ebefuno. 9th minute. Now we Kotoko controlling game. 77th minute. And a black president Savo Jemfi ma bullet. Femu pa. Before then, halftime no. Goalkeeper Ahmed Mahmoud El Mamo. Obre papa. Omu uniform. Match Azamale is 2 goalkeepers. Omu uniform. Omu uniform and omu di Ayman Taher by. And Savo Jemfi go no ono G3. And as I would if you go, and then I had the shot here every goalkeeper I meant I had. Some say wait, the way said the Nisu Breno Kakra. Until the way back. I will ban as I would if you man aquaba. On man aquaba pet. And I feel there was the Zamale players, no. I say Abembo Yaba. Because this among team Jin this as defending champions with all the star-started players. Now Asante Kotoko Ediomo Jumaza. And Franks Sarah Mensa, who now only ne was a bema pan in 19 year. Ne Sarah Mensa free bench by. Another 5th one. Account. Now, I did back about first of all this particular thing. You have top class national team players who are playing for Zamalek. And on any day you least suspect sir, Zamalek will have the belief that they've been called 2-0 away. And then over here, and nobody see. And the time our unit share go no, they were jubilating and then goalkeeper Mama started the dirty tricks no. Or no that fem kakra typical North Africans. But one thing that Kotoko showed, the class, the quality. I say yenim kun yenim jani. And they evoke the Kotoko spirit. And know the technical quality of the players at Kotoko at that time, like become golden boy. And now Shawnee Watchery 2 and 3. Omoma Jumano easy because they neutralize the flanks of Zamalek players, no. And then Baba Gambo, oh God have mercy. Abu center back Papa Biada. Baba Gambo, KLM, Musa Nanatia, no Abeka, Baba Gambo, Thomas Hammond, KLM, first in the air, or someone almost like someone to me. And the supporters thought say this after almost say that's what does need to do Frank. That's the only ding cemetery. After you say go because 5th minute. Now going about oh yeah ding. But like I said, you have a quality captain in Golden Boy Abdul Razak and our players who said no wait, not here. Zamalek who proved to you that we are Asante Kotoko. And I will mesmerize you by 5 good no. To even leave the stadium at that time. It was difficult. And so if you are telling us that young camp comebacks asema, I am talking super miracle in the history of Ghana. Or my 2 miracles, but Bakonokra Mufulera wonders. They've not won Champions League. I'm talking about almighty Zamalek, almost winning Champions League. Almost contributed players to win AFCON. Aside that, they were almost 2 or more. But see, Dolphins, almost AFCON 2000. Dolphins who? Dolphins what? Timber. If you beat Dolphins this group, you've done nothing. In the annals of Kotoko beat the biggest clubs and they make impact. And I'm saying Zamalek, were the defending champions, have quality players. Oma contributed to winning AFCON Aba. And we come to play Asante Kotoko. And Kotoko Zamalek are ordinary. Because that Zamalek, they were playing for a semi-final clash with Ali. That was what they were praying for. But has Kotoko then had the opportunity to play Ali because we lost to Ali in the semi-final by 2 goals to 1 there. Until they can't come back as Sebeo.
Omrenaso, Medasi. Oyam, Yanko.
Medasi P. Say, Mama Quenya said, name family assessment to Dra. Yamenim Ukrainian Yafini eco class no one could be a miracle a day. Miracle and one Asante Kotoko. Now Asante Kotoko miracle in your Baku and on my miracles be now miracle and they say Asante Kotoko nan kasano jina honi ni jidie. Nanso Nyome binti omonya jidie bi free baby na modi kosi akai. Eno ne mad the miracle of 2008 11th May kese no. Ne miracle kese pa e Ghana. Anything Asante Kotoko bobo no ekọ PM e Calabar on the 27th of April 2008 at the UJ Esuene Stadium. And omuko PM omone Dolphins and they're from Rivers United. Ekusi akan. Omuna nka Kotoko ni omuko si akan. Take ya. Nyoma bi to achen a enti mi amaso. Na omuko PM no. This was a new Asante Kotoko team. E had a miracle way eye hu no. Asante Kotoko bobo ko na nka first time omu qualify so omuko Champions League group stage no was in 2006 under coach name EK Afrani. Sa team no was complete of Mark Eduamofa, Kwame Obendako, Kojo Poku Mahala, Charles Taylor, Nana Hindria. All these boys were part of the team. 2006, Kotoko group that contained Ali and CS Faxien, 2 teams who eventually played in the final. Kotoko intimate free group room. Kotoko Kolusu 4-0 or Cairo. They said team no Nejija. Team Nejija we and a Bashe Hayford by so Beshe Kotoko team no. Team Eko PM Esi Akan Ewo Ali no. Kotoko Obo Confederations Cup no. Then nipa 3. And that's what team name. A new team captained by Osei Kwame Jr. And a Nea Shisha. Yedi kwa kosi sa Akan no. Akofa Sulama. Kwabna Yaro. Kwa kudie na match we asem ne yare hokra no. Eche ena mede beba. The experience in the Kotoko team was 0. Windy professionals. Eho. Ena Samuel Nkumfri. Akobolo no Hazakes. Ena Kotoko ehuna. Omode ne ba besi Akan. George Asai. Krachi ni awako ni logo na ewie. The ball na jiji nani. Obobi. Kwabna Yaro was a laughing stock near Srinu Kruma. Na striker be na boy dan. Yedini ne Musa. Bra. No chip. Ena dan ni ejesi Akan no chip. I was a pet in Pomo. No chip. Enti team na nkasa Kotoko de ko bobo no. Obi a ni jidi o. Kotoko led by Sylvester Sayo Usu Eko PM Calabar no. Ye show mu 2-0. And a Kotoko ba so on me return leg on the 11th of May. Yeti Kumasi ha ye bebo Kotoko bebo. Efiada ade bechi menda na kwesiada ya kobobo a. Malam bia betina radio so Kumasi. Sabo no de Kotoko bo no kwesiada omon qualify. Ali Maduna ya Mensa circles mpanyinfo bia boto ni ebe ne den ne munya bibio kwese da druya on the 26th of April I was ye bobo no ensuo bi eto kumase ano na nyu nsu kitewa ye bobo na enyeye na ball na ankasa so ko ball no dwada in the history of Ghana football ye Black Monday in Ghana entire mo ball dwada ye ko fa Sierra Leone ye the airplane ko form e mo mbe hye kuruma nti FM panyifo nya say Monday dia bra enya adwuma ne amfa Monday o se kotoko ball caf mpanyifo bi ase stadium ya yema players yi enkura bi omo nya de e na kotoko di sunsum awuru omumu ye pass ball ya Prince Kwame Anoche okukes ball kotoko under 20 ko Kesben FC ebe ball kotoko akobolo na bawo na obebo kotoko ibia osan hye no ho baba yara stadium kotoko ya bo 90 minutes abebo 10 minutes Kumasi 100 out of 180 no kotoko da form 3-0 in 80 minutes I was kotoko eshe 4 unanswered goals kotoko kofa goals no wen dada ya asemia yehu obi oti stadium ayama because Monday no kotoko be a free gate ema stadium ni ye mabuso obi aboto na de na latafo ibe yi areho aba Kumasi the man miracle we yehu afi ni eduro the most experienced member of that team na Emmanuel Sekufo Razak Ebo 87 Prince Poli boy 87 Safu Jemti boy 87 nipa wa both team na che our experience obo mu no enka o say Emmanuel Sekufo cats in 20 mobile ni bi onka ho kotoko obi aboto o stadium no Sekufo ni odi a kotoko ye de hye ye bobo 75 minutes na 1-1 Samuel Nkum ene take no 75 aka 15 minutes I was kotoko shot 3 goals in 15 minutes go ni free neighbor obi anim San Eric Bequin baby between 75 and 90 na Eric Bequin step up ashe 2 goals ama kotoko scored 2 goals in 15 minutes aka the last hour they ombe qualify no nyesa away go Rudy kotoko kofie come the hour come the porcupine man Kwabna Yaro no be share na tiedi na yebobo no in the history of Ghana football in Kotoko's folklore Kotoko bo Africa ye the member nebo nso we mu grand krabi na omo nam park no so a omo kwaji Kotoko nipa oyo omo captain Kotoko bo Africa omo sahene ti bench obo bi enyeye edi nti na men sorry nyina brame enkasa in this debate Emma Dolphins team of 2008 so omo comeback no was the greatest 75 minutes omo mo Africa Kotoko sa team no omo mo Africa experience omo ni experience bia because omo mbo 2006 no omo ko Eric Bequin free out of Lions Samuel Nkume free Azakes or a windy professionals okobo loan no chip na manfo free Prince Kwame Anoche ya kana semi okes Kotoko under 20 Kesben FC Africa no omo nim ne tie kra enti ma try ma kwa team and na Kotoko dey bo Africa no lo and behold your board 90 ni wie no na Kotoko a shed 3 goals in 15 minutes a qualify ahead of Dolphins enti hwe players no ball no hwe the time frame na omo wo so omo de be yes operation no omo experience in Africa hey team abo Africa from 82 83 abo finals back to back omo ne mua 87 omo bo massa there were players from the Kotoko Africa winning squad in 83 omo Ghana team na AFCON 82 num omo boss 87 ball ni bi experience we mu de no Sekufo na omo ni dan so no general na waje Africa ni bi dan nana on the benchi general mo wabo abo aje Confederations Cup aje Champions League with us Africa experience and so so me bobo a card nti oni ho na wo bobo na wo African player of the year obi a wa she AFCON final goal in 78 semi-final against Tunisia golden boy Razak 78 and Ojini dim 78 basi 87 no okaboma 9 years Razak ball 78 AFCON no nya kraketwa 9 years afterwards wa Arab contractors ni aba asabe jina Kotoko bom ebo ona na yo Sekufo wo sa team nim Sekufo e mebobo ya otifie obobi enyi nti look at the problem these boys faced hwe be bia no mu free ofoso mo atikotiko obo ase Ashanti Gold Isaac Amuako, BA United, Ashanti Gold. Eric Bequin, Heart of Lions. Kofi. Small teams. Omo African bida. Omo experience. But mren soon ya no. Kotoko di sun ra omo on the 27th. Ewo Kuruma. Nsuo ni nyina atoti ye no dwada. Kotoko team we dane Black Monday into Fabulous Red Monday. E qualify to the next stage of the competition. Enu nti ena me wa ni gie ni pepa se me kasa de amomo esan ne o ma ye nti. Efi se bebi ano mu free omo pedigree ni experience na kotoko sunsum timi for omo de omo yes operation no. Obi shot 3 goals in 15 minutes. Last 15 minutes at the qualifier. Mebo na basuda. Me da si.
Ati o jam so de no. Na about the one baba support na yenko anim.
Challenge kakra don't me am support him.
Wow support.
First of all, Dolphins team na team a ordinary team. Let's put that on record. In the annals of African history, who call about Dolphins as an ordinary team. They say Liberty Professionals of Ghana. Like our boy now, boy Nyimba. And our boy Nugu Rangers, who started getting to the final. Hafia Club of Guinea. Club of Guinea. Eshe Nugu Rangers. In the 1972. And no, the Uncle Boy Nugu Rangers are now boy Nigeria team also. But Dolphins, they are Sebi. And it's a team where Kobo Dolphins don't musha. On my idea, the Benyasунku. The Chronicles said the 1987 team no. Mi pacho 83 no biambubi. Omunyina efufro. Omunyina efufro. There be Kwekwachiri Ambo, Mohamed Odum was not there. Yana Nation was not there. Amerox in Kwano Bekano no crano tie. There be tie Michemo Amo. Michemo Acho. Amerox did not play the second leg. Meba. Because there was a reason. The performance of first leg no. So Oshe team na Ekudi boy na. Now Sebi apart from Ameroxin, the rest of the team they were all new members when it come to 1983, 1987 for no. Now say, you see, you can't say miracle. Sebi you have to do miracle nasi. Miracle no say. Ma can say Zamalek at that time, the defending CAF Champions League champions. Omo players akobwa mabom di ami repeat bi omo akobwa Egypt omo she Cameroon 1986. This is a star-studded top class team. Omo ye dreaded. Hupa. Wa show 2. No aba share 1 in 5 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Why? 7 minutes. And they equalize here. They scored 5th minute. Savage if you go there 7 minutes. Prince Paul go 9th minute. That's kotoko for you. And before Crombe omu any be bomb so now in 4 minutes ya mama tia say mejuma no ebe si no. That is what we call a miracle. A team like Zamalek obianim say another time don't forget Zamalek omu win almost second Champions League because they won the first one in 1984. Almost second one and they were trying to win the third one. And they were unstoppable on the continent. Kotoko was the one that told Zamalek, "Masa, momko pepe bintra. Na mo be sha mema." And so, if you are talking about a miracle, why not the opponent you are doing the miracle against? As in boxing, the quality of opponent and the chest of a top boxer. And to Ubunipa 50 now world champion be anymore Abuna Unye. And Nyimba, if you are talking about Nyimba or Nugu Rangers, or Wanya UFC, stationary stores, yes. But Dolphins in the annals of even Nigerian football, Crapo, they've not written history. Zamalek have written history. Never got what and here come miracle. I had the 1987 team led by Golden Boy Abdul Razak, Safo Jemfi, Nana Eshon, Kwekwachiri, Samaipe, or Jotimi Joanija Bokofi Abri corner a goal. Anthony Etun the super miracle. My cat was a house of work there. No, the miracle of El Wakano. The reason why Kotokodiano Chen say Mufulira wonders no, Omunya Champions League winners, Omunya defending champions. What do you say? Yes. So this one is super because Kotoko stoppy. Almighty dreaded Zamalek, who were the defending champion, and them are super. Until if you are playing Obi Aoneno, say Bechemni Liberty, Eshia Boa. Now Shena, and Miracle Beno Bechemni Liberty. Oceano Bo Kodoko need office at that time. But office air with them. I'm heavy. And so for me, that argument about say players through your new airway, and that's that Paul. Na Aruna Yusuf and start on the Champions League matches for Kotoko. Haruna Yusuf call no. The first major one was to kick the ball in it. Or boy simple classes or body beer. But not even more. Because experience is not only being the team, but actively participating. And no crowd no experience, you know. What am I gonna say? So in when about Saturday and say Obi Bobby that and the and share that always and share and hunsa set team no foul, and that is why the team has a spirit. They call team no no foul. It makes it easier. Okay? Yeah, Kasum. Yeah, okay, anyway. Yeah, Kasum had the same experience. He was able butcher or seizing moments, you know, he became great. Okay? Kotoko, Lord Obogunti, he will tell you. Because of Francis Kumi, any Kofi Bedunti, he was always on the bench. But when the hour and the moment came, Lord rose to the occasion, even though he was not regular, he was starting. When it 2 for no call, Kofi Bedu, Francis Kumi called Bordeaux, Kofi Bedu Ekoyeno, Opoko free because of issues with Yabewa. Opokunti is the moment. And the club like Otokono said, oh, your first opportunity to deliver. Any news?
I was so man also. Be up. Why that Baba boy?
Asem no ne kase. We they were part of the team in 83. So Mobi, they were there. No mo katim no. Nemom nipa no ye adwuma no. And all ahoma so. Eric Kwabna be queen. 2 goals. And all to na Kwabna, good morning.
Fine morning. The legendary Atapukupa Umpo Yadiama.
Masum. Kwabna omode mo so ani. Na omode mo ba kwa ye refia enyeye. The 11th of May 2008, Modema Ball Bayara Stadium. Kwabna Fire FM Dolphins match no. Say ankasa na koye. Na there in action na moye ya mutimi de qualify as match no.
Nia ni dikan na evidence akese be ma otikoko so because we were sentiment mu a den wo se osre kwan as we were sentiment mu na asembia wo bia no waka. Esa so di akese ama opamfo a Moshiemwa, Inamuye Yunan is all for the betterment of Ghana football. Yebekoso about Mabaso, Michia Jeff, the only 2 eyes back. When it comes to 208, I'm say the legacy we left in a BBA to remember or something to talk about. And imagine, say, Mobo Africa, Nanya League. And I say, any hello?
Ghana for you.
Any say, Mubo normally. Name Africa, moving is a match now. A bit in a catapotumo at the Marco, the money zone of the Confederation. Who's a yeno? You buy a Confederation at the Hodda, any other qualify for Champions League. And you buy a Juma Ding and share a Juma a Yakut Bashir Hayford and Bantma Henny a Juma Ding and any management. I'm a boy, yeah, need a ton of recruitment. I'm yeah. Man, then 2008, me G that glorious moment in Edema Asante Minor. My comparison but it's not easy. It's not easy. Say a team. Pay win. Now on Sunday, which is the data CAF Edia Masa Yembo League. Now bona we were down by 1. Yeah, home. Now rain off Asian Bim now on Monday. I quite remember the late Jerry Asari. Shoshu. May he so rest in perfect peace. Oba mene Sulama dem e be besides Kwabna. The way I did we are sure say qualification here Bebaso. I'm going to catch a Shoshu say on forgetting a match we a done deal. No say Kwabna de una CBB so ana. And Sulama also on teaching. Sulama beside say Eric, what did you tell Shoshu? And I will tell you after Shoshu is gone. And I'm catching Shoshu say match we yet then you two bind. You do win match we. Why? My reason was and let Kotoko fans, you can't give them money, you can't buy them clothes. The ambassador manatite. Uma Muskadada. Kotoko is the only team a mere fan can fast for the team, even sacrifice Bibi Wobia just to see Kotoko succeed. Me Kumasi Sports Stadium. No me who fans now. I say I did not come to work. And only I have problem here. Atayana many current players, Enya say Kotoko Yembo Yesum we as maybe Yesum Faso. The letter of Okofi told me this thing. Maybe Zan said Kotoko Yebon saying, or see, or correcting me say Kotoko Yembebo as a player. Yebana Jabesum Aquenya and Yedia Mau Sebra Nabesum because Ocean legends are Amababo Kotoko. I am way and feel while we cry Aquenya Ababe Bobia. Na Aquenya Kesiana Brameboa. But and then Sabi and I'm for ya Yemian to ya ba among Bokotoko. Obi Oha na Otidini say Obokotoko Albiniska. Ain't you know about but yet apart from ABA the legends down between 2008 was ambitious year. Say everybody is in to make a mark, leave a legacy and go. And apart from Kudbashi Rayford, we had some coaches in even the playing body. You can call the names like Osei Kufo, Nana Hindia, Stephen Odru, and all that. What the Shemini Nana Hindia transition, it was solid. But that comeback, Asema ye canon and the year Mushima ye can win. Though if you are young, G Cup and Champions League Cup, Makotoko, Yambeji Confederation, Makotoko. But that Monday in particular, may come be a senka a house of foka and other team here. I'm about to need him for that comeback.
Yes.
But I won't say, Sabi, Manusi Sumina so as a Kumasino, we always want to see everyday progress, but we are not ready for continuity. Say there Yamao this distance, Faye Juma, Yamao this period, Faye Juma. We don't do that. In Yama coach we had in the philosophy, but I had been said that in the philosophy no ABC. Yes, Upoku and school on the bus stadium no. I wish like you were in the bus. Emu heat, emu fife, and the way I charge, and say about 45 minutes our bus in Mukran's Era Stadium. Why? Because the field stadium, no, the capacity was filled around 11 a.m. Obia Oba Stadium, Bianebia, calling the success and 11 a.m. the stadium was full, and it was a Monday, a working, glorious Monday. People left their work and came to watch Kotoko and Dolphins. Let me use this funny way to see it. Time maybe say first go New Year. Maybe say second go. I'm with defender. Obi Sama saying you say, Omo, you people don't take drugs, or your people don't give you something you people don't take. And I'm a cow with you, Muzakwa, Unimadia. Young supporters, they are result oriented because me to me Makotoko fans ka. Say me frewa jiwe na nde mamboni ye. You need to produce. Kotoko is result oriented.
Kwabna sasi subi wo se Kotoko na ye den.
Pacho say.
Wo se Kotoko na ye den.
Kotoko ye result oriented. Ye nya matrama kwa wo ho.
Fantastic. Kwabna I'm say emre ntino emre na ya so na mum ka bibi chia fans no.
Munya bo trainer player we ye man time kakra obeye. No. All because those time na ni eba no. What I know about the little historical aspect of Kotoko ni say. Hello.
Kwabna I'm say emre na ya so na ye be sere say e dey na fans no be catch o mama stadium.
Me born tofa. Adia minim ewo Kotoko ni say we don't appreciate the supporters of Kotoko now because now Kotoko supporters and a scout player at the team nimu. They can scout player for 3 years, 2 years. Here, Mabo Liberty, Macha Kotoko. Mabo Heart of Lions, Macha Kotoko. Bibisa Bashir for Danny and Heart of Lions, ni Kotoko boy. Ewa Pando na Mishego, na Misa say, Minya Kotoko mebo, masum as a fan. Minya Kotoko, catch him say, Kwabra. What time no so, and Yawo Nebeka, Nyabutari. I have to prove what I was willing to give to the club. And let me didn't come a salary and I'm a do Kotoko show. But because of Kotoko platform, and then I'm a house owner, me a landlord, because of Kotoko platform now, to burn a tough one, they catch players near here and they say, don't look at the salary, don't look at incentives you here, but look at the platform, make your name, leave a legacy. Otinebino say oba kwa page mo baby Yebeka say, oh, assume si banye. Monje ne paper no, monhwe na mo baby man say, na momi enko ka say, we so ofinfa, ye body an ye nim nipa ko, monje na mo vanto nche. Nti no na poku metimi aka e de me interview ya mo frame.
Kwabna ka bibi chair fans no mo stadium Sunday yeso.
Ade ba ko pe. Kotoko supporters, the love around 2008. They are the same players with the same blood and the same eagerness to make Krobia proud. And without them filling the stadium, Nanoya and his management, they will find it hard. Say, Amubenya, Akwenya, Ebema players in Ibenya enough rest. Because transit. And now the work of Morocco, Babe, but Obesa chartered flight, no, they are about Ukrom. And what they know, no kita the same, and what they know, no Babebo. But in there say, you Philly Stadium, why can't Nanaya and his management chartered flight for Kotoko to go and play? And Kolano, and the right energy, the right mentality, they'll go and bring us the victory. Without the fans, we can't do it.
Medal
CP.
Yeah, kwabna.
I'm coming there to support on Agada's Capito Akasa. I we will come and put our support to see say Kotoko make it. But we are asking them to avoid complacency, which is a key. Say, after all, you qualify with MYN. Let's play Galamsey football just to qualify.
CP kwabna. Yamin sha pa.
Anti no maybe na jam no. Nana pa job bi aboko de.
Nyamia du bi aboko. Me feel na mafimu.
Me am feel pa.
Mafimu pa. Me feel papa to ka say mafimu nti na beba. Na mba me transit say I'm enjoying the program very well.
Oh okay.
Jeff ni minu kaka me bi asem wura fie. But omo twema dwesi ni so me picha ni mo mri so Saturday we this year no say bi esi anka me wura yafi.
Yeah.
It will be tie program na we kotokoni a ni be ba no so.
Oh okay.
Seriously with this nema me nua why when na me tom ka ampa we no on say argument be say ntu ko bo bi ampa asem wura yafi but makai. E dey engineer kai dey mo nyina Africa e ko bontia.
Yeah.
What you say? And the wom kan nyina no mo kan ba there's miracle. Why am miracle happy? To supporters.
Yeah.
Minia we be kuya kadisi ya makura kadisi ya say to supporters. The stadium was full to its capacity. The moment you enter stadium a player, if you don't have the heart, or spirit kwa beira. He was saying all these things. And because the spirit now, what is the spirit? It lies on the hands of the supporters.
Yeah.
If supporters are not there, the spirit is not there. And you go spirit man, woman no na de baba. So if you have opportunity be they make a mini baby me play Rome me Jeff teams be okay me make us a mini Jeff about my and reach me share team you fi cover match.
Oh okay.
Yes. Team na share na kasa no Jeff kan ho me kan ho but my kan ho chum kan ho ye and ye aka chema ka mu ni ade nyina. You were part of the team. And they cover so much is nyina. And say me can be say na ebam team say na me wa me ho. Awesome. And once I go to go on this yesu aba try to frame human me because me am passion on the canon Jeff do be an mbo for to bomb you don't know the passion that he feeling minimum I know him yeah obi a asem sida obe cancel open
also okay
yes because or a part and he got to lose one sad it here and the message because he say ade ye kan nyina and say ye can call supporters so on Sunday we need your presence, nothing more nothing less. You have no option. Because the players, I deliver. Me see the pay 50 as 100 penny call Benin. O mako first victory no one day the free abre. You boost off the BSC 8 million. Jeff ndo munyi da. By the GC 8 million. Let's prove to them. What is the 8 million? We need only 40,000 capacity here.
So
come and deliver. You come there and show your support. I don't come here. If you want us to qualify, now me say Jeff Cassie, they be about masters. Your teams want to say we Africa. Yeah, parents now you have to get the lock. When you lock group we free with them. In fact, we go share groups we are teams we are. Ahead of us. You can't team and can be found. But teams say baby are fan. Me my opinion. If you say teams on there and we share than your sir. Me can say munya di but we share than your sir. Say kotoko team. I need me African. See a little bit effort. We can come out of the group. I bet you money so. I need your way support of a team. But a minimum effort. Na na yakwaba akwani de deba board aboa no management you from there be na ye supporters me say match we dey say ntimi am free to capacity don't come out and blame obia you come you team out blame obia e dey no manya bi hwe bi no say the mom promise the mom we be team dey koso our management be bia some players let me deliver. Doctors are ready on the play they are doctors they are ready to deliver. They've said it into there na me no ye ye babontia no pay be say supporters say so ko ni kwase yesere. But you do start by Bible Tibesere because you need perfume. If you want something from someone, also put your little bit effort. And just say effort, get one of supporters to be. It's a ticket, you know. Man, person say a Bible available. You are not you're trying to get it. This is for now, no system never no. I'm not for complaining, and don't complain. Here, can remember this. You need to be able to get a better lie. And then they all call over to my free field. Say, "Mama, think to my free field 225." Once you have to take it on the phone. You just declare your code and then off you enter the stadium and go and watch your match. Says him, this is also your stress. Turning them. They be because they do baby one say, "Oh, you na me take it for the cameras this year." Oh, you telecom lines, you know. We say to the crowd freak or say, "Uji na say."
So call say doom.
Enti enu kan bi. Enti you turning them no matter the situation. We be take it away. And no much say take it to so keep your code. Last match we play the minimum master we have to take it also with or see yes it can happen. Vendor now work to we no declare where in the manner. Okay, you can sell to another person. Let us educate our people. What you say about before? Depending fast code them. So keep it yourself. A code. Say the pin code no kuta also the mobile money no. E mo bia nko person be declare no gate me there askana mo the room no. Don't declare to anyone.
Nana mate na sere kan no person to a star 711 hash. Star 711 hash. Now we follow we know. One say VIP 900 Ghana, wing 60 Ghana, center line 40 Ghana, popular stand 30 Ghana. The others all star 711 hash. Wa follow we know the obetimi aton wa to kama pa. Say na na ka no. Ebeba phone no so emfa nkonko cheche. Gate one na be kwa che.
Obi obi to we apa ya me combo say dey no. Makoto me take it enu nie. If somebody is smart, when someone say internet is someone for smart, you can pick the code as simple. Or fast, so many codes are on enough. Nobody will come winning. We go gate, but then we negate of duty. Message say, "Sadi the first person." Ebe walk toko. Sa you take it in the buy no penifo agya tum e boy. E master free so we rush go say go to take it in term. Name be free. But my supporters, ye ba form woni be hu. And first go so we go get ko we ska. And then we be scan nyina e betime account for. Say the case is kasem na ne akoda no be bo me busa no be bo din chairman say ha ka clear ko bai West Africa
Martinana mama fa for ne kakra na ye ram na said debate ne call ye na me be out of team A ye wo Bishop Atapoku team B ye wo Apostle na A4 no na e ka say na come back na de na no e den pa no 2008 no ene ye Kotoko Dolphins and afi B4 no ene e ka say 1987 Kotoko Zamalek two fra A and B near call me patcho 0548 931 0548 931 0551 0551 931 me for me patcho diane baby ao kasafi
Abodiade
yes ao coin
Abodiade apapo kwale
Mate wa kwadi ama bishop me for bi wa na ye to aso me patcho diane baby ao kasafi
Abodiade me patcho uni akwa me aduni e just go to shop
o koma wan
me patcho me koma atapuku mo patcho
Mate me da se pa no dia so o de be o diane baby ao kasafi
so wo le president respect
patcho koma wan
me koma
Mate okoy de ma bishop me for wa patcho diane baby ao kasafi
Oibona snene ni koma atapuku mo
Mate me da se oyibo no dia so de be patcho diane baby ao kasafi Hello. Abia me so nye ready me for bu. Odi ani baby a wo kasa fi. Ba cho koma wan. Mate me da se no zo di adba. Odi ani baby a wo kasa fi. Ba cho koma wan.
Koma B.
Okay, okwede ma apostle. Odi ani baby a wo kasa fi.
Sala ya fami mo me koma team A acha.
Mate me da se no di adba. Me ba cho odi ani baby a wo kasa fi. Hello.
Hello.
Ya odi ani baby a wo kasa fi.
But fami job so claim before na ni se fami so claim. Ka se people ko.
Koma wan.
E koma B.
Mate me da se me ba cho odi ani baby a wo kasa fi.
Me ka se through asem for point fami ajekun.
Ayekun koma wan.
Koma ataku.
Mate me da se je kumbaro fra na wa ma TV volume na conform na wa tibo a. Odi ani baby a wo kasa fi.
Hello.
Ya odi ani baby a kasa fi.
The friend Saviola, but my enjoy program very well. But I think it's a woman Simana can match before I will give my vote. Oh.
As Saviola body tell me why.
Yeah, you kind of say with the two gurus, you know, my enjoy show, you know, I think I will recruit myself for making judgment. But looking at the intellectual discourse, I still have my biases. They are really making us enjoy so much. My biases is for Jeffrey. Yeah.
Mate, me da se pa. Baba jo diary baby a kazafi.
Diaby, ini karamokowan, ekasafi kukum, bekoma team A.
Mate, me da se no diary baby. Baba jo diary baby a kazafi. Oh. Yeah, Rena. Yeah, ram na bwana ni ma. Baba jo diary baby a kazafi. Hello. Yeah, Baba jo come on.
Bekoma B.
Oh, Mate, okay, the ma apostle. Yeah, ready and phobia. But by your dear baby, I'll casafi. Hello. Yes, I met to guardian baby, I'll casafi. Mate, me da se pa. But by your dear baby, I'll casafi.
Me did the gym na time and consistent to the market. Me pastor you take it to service in a boy and bandia won't check my wife.
Mate, but also cause one try be a network and why.
That's
na so me da se pa me yera me fa we ntwa to ona o twa to o di ani baby a o kasa fi Mate come on Mate me da se pa di luta monkey kambo na never as be transfer hwesere niam esi eti ayede hey o ajo di ani baby a o kasa fi
Sompa.
Eze kwama wai.
Kwama atakuku.
Ate me da se paye. Luta bra be trans na yenko na. Ye hwesere ne mesiti na. Emeze sere ne mesisi koro. Ebe hwe ne ma yie pa ofia. Sere ne mesisi koro. Ye be hwe ne ma yie ofia pa. Hey!
Oh,
Luta.
Kwaku.
Fa me ko.
Bibia bana wie ye.
Aha.
Na osha eba Facebook a. Eye Atapoku Dolphins 2008 omunya 11 votes ho.
Okay.
Ena eye Apostle Timbi nya 7 votes on Facebook.
Okay.
Ena about Twitter so eye Tim A nya 62 votes ho. Ena eye Timbi nya 72. Ewo Twitter.
Oh, okay.
Aha, tuba calls so eye Tim A nya 11 calls.
Aha.
Ena Timbi nya 4 calls.
Okay.
Ntu kekabo ma na say Tim A nya 84 votes. And 18 binya 83 votes. Inti Atapuku. So what else?
Uta, sana aderete.
Sana pepe.
Hey, there's a contest where they already pow.
A breaking it down my no.
Eti ya like
so Facebook no.
Eti say one signal where they are. I can't pai.
Kapai 83.
Aya ke. We dey look at be be la me fa kakaka o.
Oh na so agenda.
Oh na really agenda bia. O really close too much.
On say eba say education here more. Nti eba youth no so on Facebook on ya no mo custom vote no. Nti ana o mo so person mu tie more. Nti ana ma abato no ho no. Ya na unlimited kakra. Aha, nti na dodo na kogina Twitter.
On the course no bad e baba tweet me fa. Time na so. O say e call e cover news. Enti ade no represent no ojawanya ni tie didi. na saa mmerɛ dodoɔ bi ne hadwe wɔ baabi